I'm very excited today because I'm launching my brand new masterclass on letting go and the process of acceptance. It is called the Letting Go Masterclass, in which I teach you how to master the art of letting go. There's a lot of confusion on this subject, and that is why I felt it was necessary to bring this teaching forth in this manner, where we, for a little while, go so deep into the practice of letting go and acceptance. Only through this can you gain that emotional mastery, which is so important to not constantly be caught up in what's going on in the activity of consciousness, so that you can actually turn inward, right, and practice inquiry and inquire the deeper questions of life. So in order to go through this life smoothly, letting go, acceptance is such a valuable tool that you can cultivate. And you can not just use it as a practice, but really make it a way of living, right? Over time, letting go, acceptance really turns into a way of life. Your understanding of what you are and your relationship with the contents of consciousness. So if this is something that you want to learn more about more deeply, please check the link in the description box below and go watch that masterclass right now. It's going to offer you so much value, and it will clear up so much confusion that you hold to the practice. You know, the practice itself is so simple, and we can explain it many times. However, I continue to hear many of the same questions about resistances to the practice, about certain responses from the body or emotions or uncomfortable sensations which arise when you're doing the practice, or some just mental confusions which cannot grasp the subtlety of the practice and if I'm doing it properly, if it's working. So I made this class with all of those common questions that I always get in mind. Okay, so it's going to address all those questions, and it's going to walk you through step by step how to do the practice and how to, most importantly, keep it simple, because ultimately it is very simple, but it is something that your mind has to yield to. You cannot continue to complicate this practice and get in your own way again and again and again. In truth, what letting go, what acceptance really is your capacity to observe what is the contents of this moment without any judgment, without any agenda, without any attempt at manipulation, just purely observing and allowing them to be as they are. You see, so this simple little thing is what we can talk a lot about, only to satisfy your mind, only to help your mind finally release its grasp over you. Because you cannot understand this through intellectualization. You cannot understand this by constantly just staying in mind. So that is what this masterclass will do. It will really teach you exactly what letting go is, how to practice it, and how to diffuse a lot of these mental concerns that constantly keep running in mind. All these doubts, these concerns, all these logical analysis and all that stuff, you see? So if you'd like to be free of all of that complexity and really practice this teaching genuinely in the most simple way possible and get the best results from it, instead of the YouTube video today, I encourage you and I invite you to go watch the new class, and I hope it brings you immense value. I know that it will. So really excited to share this with you. See you in the class. That's all for me for today. For the YouTube video though, I will see you next time.